Hello boys and girls, this is Tiger Talk. Today I present to you the rope swing. The children went to the stream. They looked at the swing. Wolf climbed on the swing. Chip pushed Wolf. Floppy looked at the rope. Beef climbed on the swing. Floppy barked and barked. Chip climbed on the swing. Floppy barked and barked and barked. Kipper went on the swing. "What a silly dog," said Kipper. Wilma went on too. "What a silly dog," said Wilma. The children went home. Floppy looked at the rope. Splash! Oh no! Boys and girls, why is Floppy barking at the children? Do you think the swing was safe? Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Tiger Talk. More story, more fun. Goodbye.